Come on, Scooby. A nice walk around the house will calm your nerves.
I hope so.
Gosh, it's been a long time since I visited Uncle Nat. You know, I can't remember my way around the house. I wonder what's in here.
Nothing, I hope.
Hey, this place could pass for a studio morgue.
Morgue?
Oh, I mean the kind of morgue where you keep old pictures and things. Hey, look. There's a portrait of my great-grandfather, Nathaniel. And there's my great-great-grandfather, Scoob. His name is Benjamin. And there's my great-great-grandmother, Matilda. Notice the family characteristic?
Yeah.
It's the nose. Noses run in our family.
Noses run?
I didn't mean it that way, Scooby.
Noses? Huh? The eyes.
Yeah, the eyes are a predominant characteristic, too.
And they move.
Well, that's just your imagination. Hey, look, Scoob. An old family album. Maybe I'm in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Look, there I am. Okay, knock it off. There may be a picture of you in here. And here it is. Guess who that is on the bearskin rug?
Huh? It's me. Shaggy, where'd you go?
That's just a dressmaker's dummy. Come on, I'll show you. Madame would have the dress made on the dummy, and then when the dress was fini, aha! Madame would look simply gorgeous. Et voila!
Ooh la la. The eyes.
Oh, come on, Scooby. We're not going to go through that again, are we? Come here.
Look.
Yeah? I don't see anything about the eyes. But those ears! I think your nerves are getting on my nerves. We need a good night's rest. Come on, Scooby.
Scooby-Doo, I'm with you.
Relax, Scooby. We'll spend the night with you. Now let's hit the sack.
First, I'm gonna hit the old lunch sack with a Shaggy super sandwich. And it looks like old Scoob is gonna hit the bathtub. Let's see, a little salt and a little pepper. And oh yes, a little fish food. Sorry.
Hey, Scoob, hurry it up, will you? Scooby, I thought you were taking a bath.
The next one.
Like you mean the tub tipped up and slid into the basement? And you saw
The Cartoon Cat and Cartoon Dog.
You gotta be kidding. Come on, let's take a look at that tub. Well, Scooby, the bathtub looks okay.
and it's bolted down.
You sure got some imagination.
Yeah, like quit with those scary tales, will you? Come on, let's get some sleep.